Hello guys, what's up? And welcome back to my video Angga Rizky. And in this video, I will design the user interface login page for the iPhone apps. Okay guys, before I have prepared my image from my holiday last week. I'm going to beach and I have prepared for my login page. Okay guys, go into your Photoshop and create file new, and the document type it must be the iPhone 6 Plus. And okay, and now we create the background image first, like file open and open your image. I'm going to the Sawarna Beach. This is for travel apps, and I will resize it. Okay guys, and now I will give it the opacity using the going to FX and color overlay, and the opacity is 1 ABC Nancy, and the opacity percent 50%. And now I'm create my basic logo, like your apps logo. I'm going to create the ellipse tool first, ellipse tool, and change it to be white, and give the drop shadow, setting up the distance is 1, 10 and 10, sorry, 2. Okay guys, okay, and now make it the center. Sorry, we create the background first. Select the layer 1 and going to rectangle tool, and we create the background. We create the background. Okay guys, and now select the ellipse 1 and rectangle 1, make it center. Okay, and now we will using the rectangle tool for create the logo. Sorry, using the rounded rectangle tool. Okay, and give the color is purple, 1 ABC Nancy, and going to purple. Okay, and now we can rotate it, and we can duplicate the layer and resize. Sorry, and we can rotate first, rotate, and now resize. Okay, rotate, zoom, and now like this, and give the drop shadow for the top background, and setting up the color is purple drop. It's the right. I just want to make the travel logo like that logo. Okay, we will using the text tool and create text here and type the T and going to font type is specifico travel and change the color 1 ABC Nancy and change to the purple. Okay guys, and move, and now resize it. Sorry. Alright, and we can duplicate and change the color to be dark and move into below like this. We can group it and change to be logo and make it center. Okay, and now we can duplicate this ellipse, duplicate, and disable the drop shadow and go into properties and enable the stroke and make it 1 pixel and disable the fill color, and now resize it. Like this, resize more. We can make it center. Okay, and we can duplicate again, resize, sorry, make it center. Okay, and now going to opacity is 50, sorry, 80, and we can duplicate again for the last ellipse tools. Okay, like this, and the last ellipse tool is more big. Okay, we can make it center again. Okay, and the last ellipse strip is going to opacity 50, and the second ellipse strip is going to opacity 70, like this guys. And now we can create the some text right here. Go into text tool and give the name is get in fall and change the font type is railway and change the color to be white and change the font size to be 120 pixel and make it center. We can setting up the margin using the shift key on your keyboard. 1 2 3 4 5 6 12 times. Sorry, we can. Okay, and now we create the login form right here. Login form, we can using the rectangle. We can duplicate the rectangle later by will create the first login form and change the color to be 1 ABC Nancy. And now go into text tool, or we can duplicate from here, duplicate and move the layer into above the rectangle and change the font size. Okay, to be 48, and give the name is username, and you can duplicate the username as email. Okay, here my email, and setting the margin using the shift key. Okay, and going to username and going to text tool and change the font size to be 36 and make it clean. Okay, like this guys, and now we can group it to be username form, and we can duplicate like a password form. And now we can change it. The font is password, the words, and this is your password. You can using the stars like this, and I will make it center, and I will give the divider right here using the rounded rectangle tool, divider, and change the color to be white, and setting the height to be 2 pixels. Like this guys. Okay, and now we can create the info right here. If your password get lost password or forgot password, you can create the info right here. Going to password form and create the ellipse tool and disable the fill color, enable the stroke color, change the pixel to be 3 or 5, sorry, 2 pixel. Okay, one, two, three, four, 5. And we can duplicate the password text and change using the warning and bold, and the font size 60 like this. Okay, and now we can duplicate this password form for the sync up or login button. Duplicate and button login, and change the background color to be purple like this, and remove the email and change the username to be sync up, and change the font size and make it center. And going to username form and select the rectangle tool, select the opacity, 80, and going to password form and select the rectangle tool and set the opacity XG like this, and going to button login and select the rectangle tool, give the drop shadow. Okay, and now we can create the another menus right here, like our already account. We can log in from here. We can duplicate the get info path, duplicate, and edit the text. Login and change the font size. And make it center. Okay guys, this is the login for the travel apps for the iPhone 6 Plus, and if you any question, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe me and feel free to share it. Okay guys, thank you very much from Angga Rizky.